Tell Gabby what you're looking at, Grandma.
Well, we saw this little alligator, and he had something white in his mouth, and I looked closely, and it's a small ibis or an egret, and he was walking up here on the bank, and then all of a sudden the big alligator started heading toward him in the water, and it came up real close to the bank, and this alligator just squatted down and just stayed still, and it hasn't moved since we first saw it.
Is the bird still in the mouth?
Yeah.
Well, here's Grandma.
Hi, Gabby and Zach.